Hey guys, it's Nathan with Bark Life. I get to reveal our new car to you guys today. I'm excited. Stay tuned and see what it is. Hey guys, it's Nathan. So I told you guys that I was going to get a new car. I got a new car. This is one of them. It's an Sc300 in 1995. It might actually be the cheapest running Sc300 that was available at the time. So I picked this up. The guy had it, was leaving town, had to get rid of it. I ended up getting it for a whopping $600. When I got it, it wasn't running great, running rough. I was able to fix all the things with parts I had on hand, and it was super simple. Spark plug wires, and O2 sensor, a couple other little minor things, no big deal. But yeah, interior is terrible, the paint job's not great, but I'm super excited because we were looking for something that we could maybe take the Supra motor stick in here. I also have an additional eBay turbo kit type deal that I might throw on here. But I think we're gonna manual swap it and put the Supra motor in here. That's kind of what it sounds like. We're planning on doing. But yeah, $600, you guys. Let me start it up for you. It's got a straight pipe exhaust, so it's kind of loud and obnoxious, but I kind of like loud and obnoxious. But yeah, fires up, runs super smooth. Has a little bit of power steering noise. One thing I have to say, I forgot, I've owned other SCs, their hoods, my goodness, the struts are broken, the gas shocks or whatever, but man, that thing has to weigh 1,000 pounds. So yeah, it has CX coilovers, and obviously straight pipe exhaust, and other than that, it's pretty much completely stock. Let me kill it real quick so we can... May steal the camera from you real quick, Elise. Okay. Thank you for your help. So yeah, this is the car. Exterior wise, this is exactly how I bought it. Nothing's changed yet. But I was pretty excited. So originally the car, if anybody's got keen eyes, you can tell that it was painted because you can see things like that. It was originally gold. Not my favorite color. Sweet tint job. But yeah, you can see the tape lines were a little rough, but yeah, $600, cheapest running Sc300 that I've seen. Let me know if you guys have gotten one cheaper or seen one less expensive. But yeah, so that's the idea, is swap the Supra motor in here. What do you guys think? Should I just turbo it the way it is in its automatic form? Or should we stick that Supra motor in there and have some fun as soon as the snow goes away? We do have a good amount of melt though. It's insane. Like the snow is almost gone, which is awesome. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this and you know, what we should do. So I got a couple different messages from people saying they wanted to actually see what the damage inside the Supra looks like. Honestly, the carpet, you can see a little bit of the wiring, but right now I have the full alarm system and everything else, and this had an old Alpine DVD system, and so it had a bajillion wires for that, and then of course you have all the AEM stuff and everything else. So there's a lot of wires going everywhere because the dash is out, and man, is it a bummer having the dash out right now. Makes me feel so bad because my favorite part about the Supra is that driving position with that cockpit feel. Anyways, I'm kind of sitting at a precarious angle here looking in the Supra, but I think I'll go ahead and show you guys what we're talking about. So that's where the carpet actually burns. So your perspective, there's the pedals, and yeah, kind of was dripping down, and yeah, the wire right there, or there was a wire that it was hanging down and it was just absolutely frying the carpet. Anyways, subscribe. We're doing a giveaway here shortly, so stay tuned and see what that is. And also, we're going to reveal our autocross car.